Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am here to introduce a new educational course. This course is ideal for DevOps engineers, developers, and software architects who want to master traffic management, service resilience, and monitoring tools within Kubernetes. If you're interested in scaling applications, implementing zero-downtime deployments, and optimizing service performance, this bootcamp is for you. Additionally, it's highly valuable for professionals looking to apply advanced techniques like fault injection and Canary deployment in cloud and on-premise environments. This course has around 3,000 students and is highly practical. Its current price is approximately €20. By course, you will have full access to it and benefit from future updates. Upon completion, you will also receive a certificate. In this course, you will learn the following. Set up Istio cluster on-premise along with Kubernetes. Deploy Canary releases in production and learn how to intelligently route traffic. Simulate real-world failures and traffic with fault injection, traffic mirroring. Make services resilient without making application changes by utilizing timeouts, retries, and circuit breakers. Do a zero-downtime rolling deployment independent of the underlying infrastructure scaling. Set up telemetry tools such as Prometheus, Grafana, Jaeger, service graphs. Now, I want to offer this exciting course to you for free and completely legally. To see how this works, first, subscribe to our channel and add this video to your watch list. Now, simply open your browser and search for couponcenter5.com on Google. In the results shown to you, click on this link. Make sure the website address matches what is displayed here, and you will be directed to couponcenter5.com. After clicking on the link, you will land on the main page of the website. On this site, you can access various course discount coupons. Use the search bar to find your desired course. Now, you can view the selected course here. To obtain the discount coupon, scroll down and click on the button. Go to the course. The course is now available to you for free. Please note that the coupon has a time limit. Now, with just a few clicks, you have gained free and legal access to this course. If this video was useful for you, like and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.